Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco mobile guys sound vibration setting. And today video title is guys how to turn on vibrate for call setting in Poco mobile. Friends, you want to turn on vibrate for call setting in Poco mobile. How to on and how to enable one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your Poco mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Poco mobile. Friends, in your Poco mobile, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After sound and vibration setting, friends, you want to on notification ringtone, you want to on phone ringtone, you want to set alarm ringtone, so you can set and you can adjust your volume from here. And friends, you want to on silent mode. Friends, after on silent mode, your ringtone will off automatic. You can check. Silent mode is on, and if you off, so ringtone will on automatic. Ringtone volume. Friends, scroll it. Vibrate for call setting, vibrate in silent mode, and vibrate on tap. You want to get phone vibrate setting, you can use from here. So friends, you want to on your Poco mobile vibrate for call settings. So friends, you can on vibrate for call setting and you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use phone vibrate for call setting, you can turn off. After turn off friends, your mobile will not vibrate for calls. And friends, if you tap here vibrate on tap setting you want to use, so friends, if you tap on your mobile, so your phone will vibrate. If you tap on button, and friends, if you use your mobile keyboard, so your phone will vibrate. And friends, you have phone vibrate problem, so friends, you can solve your vibrate problem. Off your vibrate on tap setting, your phone will not vibrate, you can use your Poco mobile without vibrate. So like that friends, we can use vibrate setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. And friends, you want to on vibrate in silent mode, so you can on from here, you can. Bye.